Mamiti we for quick answer. Wo kofa mo forms nomination forms. Mo say asofo bi ni me imam sibi and the taxi driver in the kofa forms no. Come on which you say it was a stage. You na show me so mo kofa na ye o man no mo pe mo kofa ma. How do you answer that? Yeah, I mean, come on which you know.
Oh, politics there say come on which there e bi obi brechi. Na me anim no kure ni me obi a me pe enkabom. And until Baumia a contest in the constituency, no. Since March of 2023, if you had to be a meeting, a mosque bako, our constituency name, a bompire, my Dr. Baumia and Kuno.
Wow.
Then the question, no, Omakwa, sorry. The same team, including Kramufu, a woman, no, Mako bompire, and so sorry. Our constituency name 90 local council of churches. Any imam for no. Omo ba me ho say sa de na me ye no. Omo hu say mimbe dimension any man. Enkabu ma beba nkramofo ne a Christopher ntem no. And am catch say sa de a and edru say me form no ba age say momo kofa ma me sa de a men contest. Enti abiri ni duru ye no. Obehwa the local council of churches e wa Asante-Akim South no. The head on na na sofo anu abo ne cleric.
Yeah, cleric no. Yeah.
Na imam for wa Asante-Akim ko pra so ni bogu imam ani dwaso imam and e kan ho. It's a conversation. You say be momo say mo hu say me na me ba enkabo no ba de
demonstrate to faith goodwill towards
na mo empire so ntamechi na eye adwuma meti hey mosque bia o mo empire say Obuor me MP wa Asante-Akim asori bia minim say kwasi adai ai wo yanim asori bebre empire bo mo besre no eye say ye mo empire makwabna bo no me MP wa Asante-Akim enam enkabo mu a o de ba enkramofo ne a Christopher ntem e wa Asante-Akim anafo no